Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice complete kit for cleaning and restoring leather surfaces. This can be used for shoes, you can use it in your car, for car seats, leather jackets, you name it. If it's leather, this kit can actually help do all that. This does have a nice leather cleaner. It is here. It does have a 100 ml bottle of this. You also have your leather conditioner, same way, it's a 100 milliliter bottle of the leather conditioner. They do give you a nice microfiber cloth. This nice bristle brush with a long handle, which is really nice if you're going to be scrubbing on your shoes and things like that, which I'm going to demonstrate here in a second, and a shoe mitt. So you actually have this little mitt that you can put on here to buff that polish on there when you're doing that, which is really nice. So whoever knew you needed a shoe mitt, this looks like a nice one. So what I'm going to do is take this older pair of shoes that I've got here. We're going to go ahead and go through the full process real quick. Spray some of this. I mean, it comes out real nice. Not any overabundant smell on that there, but these are obviously really pretty dirty. We're going to use this and scrub that in there for the cleaner. Put the conditioner part on here. And then we'll compare how it looks to the other shoe here. So I've got my leather conditioner. I'm going to put that on there. Again, not any terrible large odors with that as well, which is really nice that that doesn't have any major overpowering odor. I'm going to go and brush that conditioner on there. Get that all nice. My shoes needed it, so they're actually absorbing this conditioner quite a bit in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this shoe mitt, and we're going to go ahead and polish this on here using this shoe mitt. I mean, I can already tell you it looks like it's shining it up really nice. It's absorbing that in there and cleaning it up really well. So I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but I can tell you right now it definitely evened out any of those abrasions and things like that that are on there. So now compared to the other shoe as it is, this one definitely has a nice, more softer, more supple feel to it than this feels. I mean, plastic, I'm going to have to do this one again because this one here feels moist. It feels really nice. So this is going to be a nice shoe kit that could work well with shoes, cars, or any leather surface.